Okay,
that
so
way.
let's be specific then. Do you see it being a hybrid now, like a salesperson will be half field, half virtual, something along those lines?
Yeah, I do. I don't know what the ratio is going to be. It's probably going to uh, end up being highly personalized based on the salesperson's type of temperament, based on the nature of their territory and their customer base, based on are they, predominantly working with the millennial generation people. One of the interesting things that I find about this time, and this is a great opportunity for marketing and a challenge for marketing, is in the workplace there are 5 generations, soon to be 6, and each of them communicate differently. They
Hmm.
listen differently, and so I think technology makes it a lot easier to tailor your communication, your engagement to the generation of the person that you are connecting with. Um, and so so the long and short of it is it's going to be a hybrid, but it's not going to be uniform.
And yeah, I like, or at least I'm inferring that you're providing some autonomy then for that salesperson to determine, okay, in this situation, I need to hop in my car and go in person. In this other situation, this is a millennial. Maybe I record a video for them, or we do something
Exactly.
completely different. So
Yep.
very cool. Wow.
It don't send a recorded video to a boomer and expect it out.